Hey guys, thanks for clicking, and today I'm back with another video. I'll be showing you how to do these temporary locks. And if you watched my previous video, I was showing you guys how to come up with these. So I'll leave the link in the description box below so that it will be easy for you to find it. And don't worry, I'm sick, your girl is having cold. Yes, I'm having homa. So all we need today, guys, is I'll need my mirror over here, and then I'll use this braid spray to add sheen on my temporary locks. And then we need this pin tail comb, we need a scissor, we need a crochet, and finally my lovely hair food, guys. I'm in love with this hair food so much, so I'll be using this on my scalp. And this is the hair that I used to come up with this. This is the hair. I didn't show you in my previous video, so I think, yeah, this is the hair that I use. And I'll be showing you guys how, on this video I'll be showing you how to attach these on my hair. And for the new subscribers, welcome to my channel. And if you're watching me for the first time and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and click that subscribing button below the video, and we will continue learning together. So I went to the salon. I wanted my hair to be fixed. So I went to the salon and I asked, how much do you charge to fix the temporary locks? And then they told me it's 4,000 shillings. And oh Lord, your girl didn't have that much. So this hairstyle had me thinking for 2 months, like, yeah, I know how to do the temporary locks, but how will I attach it on my hair temporarily? So that's why I had to go to the salon so that I'll see what they do, and then I come and share with you guys. But I had to learn a hard way. Guys. I've been having headaches, thinking how should I do this so that I attach it on my head. So this is how I did the temporary locks, as you can see. And then at first I did it like this, like I had a loop here, so I was like, I'll just do a matuta and attach it to my head, but that was hard. And then I come with another idea. So let me show you guys before I attach it on my hair. See that loop over here? So I had to split it into two, and then some were bulky and then some were okay. So like this one, I think it's bulky. I had to reduce this bulkiness kidogo, so I have to cut it there. Yep. And this is what I've been doing. For the ones that were thick, I had to thin them a little bit so that it won't look bulky. And then you know what I'm saying, guys. So hairstyle so much because it's a protective hairstyle. I know I can stay with these locks for even 3 months. That's all. When it gets old, I just can fix one here every day or when I'm free. And redo it. So, that was it. So I know it might be showing a little bit, but that's what it is. I hope you enjoy this hairstyle. And now I know you're asking yourself, how will I take it out? It's so simple. Let me show you. Just take that and take your pintail comb, this, and I'm very sure this is it. So just put it there and pull it out.